This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 124RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, DVD player, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 124RL is 7,664 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.